As part of effort to ensure say Asue and Ogie will be PDP candidates for the forthcoming Edo State governorship election in March victorious come September 21st, the executive chairman of Egor local government, Honorable Ogbemudia, don't meet with the Executive National Union of Road Transport Worker (NURTW) and the Road Transport Employers Association of Nigeria (RTWAN) solicit for their support to take vote for Asue for the forthcoming election. Honorable Eghe talk say to continue the better work we do on ground, they must vote for Asue. She can also give the leaders stickers to give their bus drivers, make them put for their bus.
I invited you here today is to ask for your support. Do you understand? Yes, ma'am. You know election is coming, and you know that this government is a very friendly government to all of you, both National Union and RTWAN, even other ones. You understand? And we will all do everything in our power to make sure that we keep Osadebe for PDP. Yes. Why I invited you here today is for you to help me. I'm going to give you some posters, and I want those posters for them to put it in back of their vehicles. Any vehicle that is coming to Egor should have that poster. We will not fight. We will not go fight. We will not go quarrel. We will not go force them. The ones where you see talk say they don't want put, not force them. Do you understand? I first say, you guys went to me. Because this size of this poster now, in each of these boxes we have 100. So I'm giving you 1,000, but I'll give you 800 today now. The other ones I will send it to you. Do you understand? This is the poster. You see it? Yes. So I want it to be behind every of your transport vehicles in Egor. That's why it's written Egor local government. Yes. We are still going to print more to make sure that this Egor will pronounce very well. When these posters are behind vehicles, we are already campaigning for our candidates, which is Asue, and Ogie. Now, don't say, like I talked before, this government don't better everybody. So we don't want we use that seat. I mean, and the only way we will fit one, as we advertise them for back of motor, people will see them. They are trusted, tested and trusted for a greater Edo, which is Egor. Men way is service. I may not be so. So I don't want to take too much of our time. We are not content meeting that because on a day and then my revenue drop today. I don't say that this revenue that we take the work, that we take they do everything they do, you know, and I don't say that they support this government. So I want people now continue to support this government to make sure say we reach where we go. So now is the reason why I invite you to come today. Because I don't say once you see the head, you don't see the tail. Once you don't meet a manager or chairman, you don't see everything. I may not be so. So I want to present this thing to you. Please, I want you to take it to your car so that all the buses operating in the local government should have this sticker behind their buses. So thank you very much.
Some of the leaders, RTWAN and NURTW, come assure Honorable Ogbemudia say them like the good work where she don't do for the local government and say them don't they ready to vote for Asue.
We, the road transport workers, we are very happy with the work that this administration is doing in Edo State. I know how the road used to look like in Edo State, but thanks to the executive governor and all that are in power in this administration, we know so many roads has been fixed and it has eased our movement along the roads in Edo State. We still thank you, our chairman, for the good work you are doing. We are seeing the sanitation that is going on within the local government. I want to assure you that we are very happy and we will stand by you and work with you. Even the people of Egor are happy with you. God bless you, my friend.
The good work we are doing there. Our people in Egor, we are happy. And many, you will still do more for us. So we are still begging you to do more about the drainage. We are not backing it out. We are seeing it. Out refuge beside that crossing, we are still doing it. We are thanking you for that. Most people, we are, myself and the rest of my followers, we are grateful for what you are doing for us. Thank you, man.
The way people take the work in those states are so much happy. If you see now youth, they know they tip up there again. Job done there for youth, for those states. Go everywhere and boys they work, both women they work. If they work, why? Because of the help of our mama. If they work, even now sweeping, even now to follow the they work, I will work and follow them. More to just
Making a no forget say, as we see him, now so we they talk him, we know they take blame. From a local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.